Between caste and class. Number 1. An individual gets his caste from his very birth, and usually he is not capable of changing it. But a person does not inherit class, but finds his place in the class on the basis of his ability, virtues, and qualifications. So, caste is a matter of birth, and an individual gets his caste by his birth. On the other hand, your class is not hereditary in character. An individual, in accordance to his ability, virtues, and qualifications, get a place in the class. Number 2 is caste is a closed system of organization. It is a closed system. A person cannot change his caste. No one can be admitted into or leave his caste. No one is allowed to change his caste, or no one is admitted to another caste or can lose his own caste. Caste is hereditary. Hence, caste has inflexible structure. It is inflexible. In a society which has a caste system, social stratification becomes caste-based. So, where in a society there is social stratification, where there is caste system, the social stratification is done on the basis of caste. On the other hand, class system of organization is an open one because membership is on the basis of acquiring money, power, or both. One will forego one's class on losing money or power. As such, class is not hereditary. But class is not hereditary, and in a class system, the person on his own abilities basis acquires the class, and the main basis is acquiring of money and power or both. And if a person loses either his money or power, then he loses his class. Third, caste system is an endogamous group, which means that the choice of marriage partner is limited to the caste. The members of a caste should not marry outside the caste without social or caste annoyance. However, the people can marry out of their class without earning any social disreputation or being thrown out of society. So caste system is an endogamous group where a person can only marry in his own caste. He cannot marry outside the caste, and if he does so, then he is terminated from his caste. But in a class system, this is not so. A person can marry out of their class without any disreputation or being thrown out of society. Fourth is caste system imposes some restrictions on edible items as religions do, whereas there are no restrictions on edible items in any class, and it is the choice of members who decide what to eat and what not to eat. Caste systems put restrictions on members of different castes in regard to the things that are to be eaten or that are not to be eaten, as in case of religion. But in a class, there is no such restrictions on things to be eaten or to be drunk. Whatever the members want, they can eat and they can drink. Fifth, in caste system there is no opportunity to choose profession or occupation, as each caste has its own occupation. But in a class system, all the professions and occupations are open to all qualified persons, and an individual can choose his profession or occupation. In caste system, the profession or occupation is also based on birth, that is on the basis of the caste. Every caste has its own occupation, and the member will have to perform those occupations, but there is no restrictions on the members in a class system in regard to the performance of the professions and the occupations. It is only the qualified persons who will join certain professions and certain occupations of their choice. Sixth, caste system is derived from Varna. Stratification of society is religious and divine. On the other hand, the division of society on the basis of classes is a secular one. So, caste system, as it is derived from the Varna system, the stratification of the society is religious and divine. On the other hand, the division of society in class system is a secular one. Seventh, caste system used to have caste panchayats to arbitrate the disputes, pronounce judgments on the disputes among the members of the same caste. But in class system, disputes are referred to civil and criminal courts for action, and the decision of these courts are binding on all the members of the society. In the caste system, there used to be caste panchayats, and the caste panchayats used to arbitrate the disputes. They used to give judgments on the disputes among the members of the same caste. But in class system, disputes are referred to special courts, that is civil and criminal courts, and the decisions of the courts are binding on all the members of the society. Eighth, caste system does hinder democracy, whereas class system does not hinder democracy. Ninth, the caste imposes many restrictions on its members, and they are very strictly imposed, whereas there are no restrictions by the class on its members. There are restrictions in the caste system on the members, but no restriction is there in the class system on their members. 10th, the caste system. In caste system, each caste has self-imposed codes, and these are strictly followed by those who are highly placed, so that the low placed do not encroach upon their position. So there are certain codes in the caste system which are meant for every class, every caste, and no one is allowed to forego these codes. On the other hand, there are no class codes to guide prestige, status, and similar other matters, though classes very jealously safeguard their status. And there are no class codes in the class system, but because of jealousy, the classes safeguard their status.